look at what is the Newton's third law. For every action there is an equal and opposite action. I have just shown two bodies 1 and 2. So, the body 1 will exert a force on 2, body 2 will exert a force on 1, and I could show them as vectors like this F12 and F21. So, when I say force, it indicates this pair and they are equal and opposite, very obvious. Okay. And you should also remember and understand it very clearly, action and reaction forces always act on different objects. They do not act on the same object. And what kind of force interactions you can come across? Interactions can be between systems in direct contact or those which are physically separated. So, I have a rail wheel on a rails and there is a direct physical contact between the wheel and the rail. And how do I represent this interaction? I separate these two bodies and I have a force F1 acting on the wheel and F2 acting on the rails. This is by direct contact. I would like you to make a sketch and then put it. These concepts will look very simple and too obvious, but your notes should be complete. Fine, because we have to build a strong foundation. I can also think of an airplane flying. It does have an interaction between the earth. There is no direct physical contact, and that is why gravitation was so difficult to comprehend. So, whenever you are going to draw a free body diagram, you will have to look at force that happen in direct contact and force interaction that act without a direct contact. We would see them as surface forces and body forces.